Friends. So today we're going to do a couple things in class. We're going to do a paper challenge. We're going to do a vocab review, work on our accordion fold artwork and show it to each other, clean up our area, and do appreciations. So I'm going to ask you as a warm up to do our paper challenge. So creating an accordion fold, I want you to make something other than a fan. So we're not just making, oh, look, I made a fan, right? I want you to think about what could this fold be made into? Could it be stairs? Um, could it be hair? Could it be a shape? Um, what could this be? Could it be flattened and made into something like a bumpy road? So thinking about what you could make this into, I'm gonna give you about 4 minutes to make your accordion and think of your idea of what you can make this into. So if you would like to stop the video, you can, and make for a couple minutes and then come back to me. So our objective today is really to apply the accordion fold techniques to create an artwork. Okay, so if we think about the accordion fold, we've talked about it last time we were here. So your accordion fold is when you basically take a sheet of paper and you fold it one direction, and then you can flip it over and then fold it back. So you kind of do that zigzag kind of fold, and it's easier to do it when it's laying flat on the desk. So to do your accordion fold, folding one piece back and forth the same length, okay? And then talking about folding techniques, just the way that we fold paper. Manipulate is changing or adapting, and then constructing is basically, constructing some sort of building with it, or method of building. So I have this slide in here to show us a couple different folds, but really I want us to focus today on this accordion fold. And I want you to take a moment and think about, okay, maybe you decided that you wanted to make like a mountain, right? So you could easily put this down on paper and you could draw, the scene and then have this shape of the mountain there. You could create something like grass. When I see this shape like this, I think about grass. So I could use this and I could draw like a tree next to it, and so that this is grass. So you can use a pencil tool or drawing tool with this fold today to help kind of tell us or illustrate the story a little bit more. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time to do that. And then I'm going to show you the work that I created using the accordion fold. So I'm going to let you stop this video and you can make your artwork. I'm giving about 10 minutes for this one. So I want to show you mine that I made. I started thinking about these as blinds. I didn't have any glue, so I used stickers. But I was thinking about blinds, and originally I had all these little papers that I was going to make blinds, and then I thought, no, I'll just do one big window. So I actually did the window by tracing my phone to get that big rectangle. And I drew my big rectangle first and created the frame, and then I stuck these stickers on this paper to connect them, and then I just drew underneath this my tree. And I started drawing some things that are, in my bedroom. So I've got a shelf that has plants on it. I got more plants down here, and I'll probably continue this. There's some more plants that usually are underneath my window, so they get sunlight. So thinking about this, you can create whatever kind of image you want. Some people in class made mountains. Some people made things that you could actually like shoot and make them fly. Kind of like, yeah, that. Somebody made a mask and like put like a lot of cutting was involved in like creating the mask. So thinking about what you can create outside of just a fan. I don't want you to just post, oh, I made this fan, because that's like, we know that can make a fan. That's like the first one. But let's stretch our imagination a little bit and see what else we could make out of this. Again, you can modify and change this by like straightening it out so it becomes less um, abrupt as far as the bumps go. If you fold it really tight, they tend to be a little bit more up and down. So thinking about this, thinking it could be a skirt to a person's dress. It could be somebody playing the accordion, so you could actually draw, somebody holding the accordion, gluing this down to it. So thinking about what you can make this into as far as an artwork goes. And then my reflection question today is just something for you to think about. How can we closed out this way? So how can you use paper techniques to create or enhance an artwork? So when you add something that's a little bit three-dimensional, even though it's paper, using a 2D form, you can manipulate the paper and you can make it three-dimensional and you can enhance it in different ways. So thinking about that as a reflection question. I hope that you enjoy your making.